Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to roll the quadriceps. And the quads are a very special group of muscles because there's 4 of them. So essentially we need to be hitting the outside of our thigh, the middle of our thigh, and the inside of our thigh, but mostly rolling on the front. Also, you need to be rolling from the top, essentially on your hip, to the bottom, directly above the kneecap. Let's go through this. We're going to start high. And when we go here, I want you to relax, take a breath, and we're also going to bend that knee because we can get a nice stretch effect when we do this. I'm going to go up an inch, bend that knee again. Again, I'm getting a nice stretching effect. When you bend the quad, I don't want you, this is the mistake that I see a lot of people do. You see that lordosis? So I'm bending my back. And that way, that's a loss of core stability that I want you to watch out for and avoid. So when you bend the knee, make sure that your core is stable. Again, I'm stopping at every inch, taking a little breath. Some of you, you're going to need to take deep breaths. And I'm going all the way down. And I would roll the inside or the outside, focusing on what was the most tight. And also, anytime you roll, make sure you're trying to relax the muscle that you're rolling on. If you can't relax it, you're putting on too much pressure. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.